Hi friends, I hope you all are doing fine. So in this video today we will going to upload our new game in the old play console. This is one of my customer who has recovered their account. So we help them to recover their account. They have been closed account. Whoever need the closer accounts to activate it, please contact to us. We will going to activate to you. So in this video we will going to publish our app in this closer account which has been activated recently. So in that account we will going to publish our app that is in a game. As you can see, all the screenshots we have been taken already, description, screenshot and feature image and everything. So let's start and publish our app. I know from the few days we are not uploading any videos, but also we have been available in the WhatsApp. But whoever has any problem or any information to app publish, let us know. We will going to help out. You are near the 20 tester services also, let us know. So let's start and publish our app. Just create an app. So this is an as a old account, so no need to be what we say no need to be do any tester services like that. So just we will going to copy each and everything and we will go publish. This is our app name. Just copy and paste it. It is a game, it's a free. Confirm, accept and create an app. It's taking time. As you can see, it has been taking a time because whenever you create an app, it's going to take a little bit of time. No need to be get a panic. Okay, so as you can see, this is an old account, so there is a no option of creating any closer testers like that. So first we will going to complete our these things, app policy and all those things. This is our app policy. Just copy app policy and paste it and save it. Just go back and app access. So it is a game, so there is a no app access required here. Just go back. App IDs, yes, it's contain the ads because we make a revenue from the ads only, so that's the reason. And content rating, we need to add a content rating, so I will copy the mail ID here. Content rating, it's a game, I agree. Just next. No, 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 no. Just do it all. No, no, no. If you have any in these things, whichever the thing they have been taking, just click as an S, just next and save it. Just go back. And targeting audience, it's 18 plus, obviously. Just next and save it. You can pause and you can see data safety. mm, just next. Yes, yes. No, it does not allow to create an app. No outside. Just do it next. This is a data safety. It's in up to you. You whatever the things is your app taking, just click it on those things only. So basic things only I'm going to take it. So just collect it. No, no. Function analytics and advertisement and marketing. The same thing. Just collect no. mm, Save it. Just next. Save it. Just go back. And it's a government app. No, it's not a government app. Just save it. Financial features. No, we are not providing any financial thing. Just next and save it. Health. App does not have any health feature. Just save it. And a category. Oh, this is such a complicated thing. So many people have faced a problem. As is a water puzzle game, so I will keep it as a casual only. Save it. Then manage the tags. Casual things I will click. Casual, hyper casual. Then here is a mail ID. Mail ID is a mandatory. As you can see, here is a star option is there. Rest of things you can leave it off. Just save it. That's it's done. So we will go back again and now store listing. So here we need to write the description as per the Google policy. We need to write each and everything. Don't be panic if it is showing in the red, because we need to have add a 80 character, but we have been added 70 character. So that's the reason it's showing to you. So no need to be panic. In upcoming videos, I will show how to make a description and each and everything. App logo here. The app logo, this one is the app logo, and feature image also we'll going to upload. This is our feature image. This is a screenshots. I think 2 3 it won't be approved because I added the logo also here. But unfortunately it has taken all, but I don't want to keep this. Okay, and here also you just uploaded the same thing. Here also I will upload. Let's see which apps will going to take it. I will remove here. Okay, remove this. Okay, it's a PC logo it's asking, but right now I'm not using any PC thing here. So right now I don't require those things, so it's fine. Just save it. If you have a video and all those things, you can able to add, but right now I don't want to keep all those things. Just go back. And the main part, now we will going to release our app as it is a older account, so no required of the 20 testers, 12 testers, sorry. So then just click it here and select any country. I will keep it as all countries here. Click it as all countries, save it. Okay, then next, go back. As you can see, the first section is finished and second section is release. You're going to click and we're going to publish our ABB file. So this is our ABB file. So while it's been uploading, I will take some small text here to add it. Uh, so I have been copied here small text. So I will going to add here in middle of this. Make sure you don't remove this one. This is the most important columns. Please make sure don't remove it. It's taking time because it's a game now, so it takes some couple of minutes to upload, but it won't going to take much time for you. So as you can see, this is a API of 23 and it is a targeted to 36. So it has been latest version that the Google has a new policy to keep the latest version. So I have kept the latest version only. Just next. And let's see, I hope it won't be get any errors. So as fine, it is a yellow errors, it's nothing, be no need to be worry. If it is a red, then you need to be fix those things. Then save it. And we need to go for a overview. So in overview, we will going to get one error. See the view the issue, just complete the policy. Yes, save it. Then again go on overview. So all things has been done. Now we have been sending this app for a review. So we have been sending here. So it's take first they will going to read all your data here. We have at least 14 minutes. In the 14 minutes they will going to read entire your description, policies and everything. Then after that it will going to review. Then it will going to review your APK ABB file. Then after that, if everything is fine, they will going to make it live. For I think it will going to live because we have been recently activated this account. So most probably 1 or 2 days your app will be going to be live. So whoever need the 12 tester services, or whoever need uh, 20 tester services or 12 tester services, who want to publish their apps, they want their apps to be published, they whoever wants website or apps or games, anything, please contact to and reach to us. If you have any closer accounts to be activated, please let us know, we will going to fix it all. I hope you like our video. Thank you so much.